Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing of Dollfie Dream Karin. I just hope I keep remembering to pronounce her name the correct way because I just want to say Karin and my friends have been joking about it. Like, I'll speak to the manager kind of Karin, you know? But anyways, I actually first saw Karin back in November of 2019 when I was on my Japan trip in the Volks Akihabara store. And I didn't realize that she was a Karin. And then now in April 2021, I was looking at DDS Karin for several weeks and I kind of realized that they were the same doll when I was going through my photos and I was like, oh, whoa, that's kind of weird, but also super cool because I told myself back then that when I had the money, I was going to get this doll. So here we are. So yeah, I'm just unboxing all the contents. Unfortunately, the things got a little crushed on their way here from Volks USA. It took about 4 business days to get my stuff from them. It was super fast. This is the default slip and panties set that Volks sends with every doll, I believe. I think all the standard models, yeah. And it's a pretty nice material. It's not the type of material that will get snagged by your nails or any loose skin you have. I'm not going to open it though because I'm sending it to a friend of mine. This booklet is basically an instruction manual on how to take care of the frame and how to assemble or disassemble it. And the one that I got is specifically for Dollfie Dream's sister. Karin's wig is in the happy yellow color. It's a hime cut. That's the name of the style. And here's Karin. She's actually pretty heavy. She's not like very heavy, but she feels a lot denser than my smart dolls, even though she is a bit shorter. So Karin comes with the medium bust, and I think that's about the same size as, actually I don't know if this is true, but I know a medium on a regular Dollfie Dream is about the same as a small on a smart doll. So here's a close-up of her face, which is not focused, so I've attached some photos that I've taken. Hopefully that helps. The eyes are absolutely gorgeous. They're metallic. And a crotch shot, yeah. So onto the wig. This wig is a really nice color. It's very, it's almost orangey in the direct sunlight. It's like a warm golden yellow. I'd say this camera footage is pretty accurate. And I was having little clumps of hair falling out as I was, just brushing the wig with my fingers. And here I'm putting it on by pulling the wig cap, not the wefts, which is really important so you don't damage the wig. I'm using a toothbrush to get through all the layers and finding more loose hairs coming out of the wig, unfortunately. But it's still a nice color and it's very thick too, so it didn't really bother me that much. And there she is. She's saying hi, or maybe why am I naked? So these clothes are from 99 Style, and I have a video showing me unboxing and Karin trying on all the clothes. If you're interested in that, please go check it out. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this review slash unboxing was helpful. Let me know if you have any suggestions or comments, and yeah.